Imagine having a crystal ball that reveals the best yields across the entire DeFi space, updated in real time. Well, stop imagining because DefiLlama's yield section is that crystal ball. But most people are either using it wrong or missing out on hidden opportunities. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use it to maximize your passive income and stay ahead of the game. And if you are serious about becoming a DeFi yield pro, stick around to the end where I'll hook you with a resource that will change your crypto game forever, mainly for beginners. Alright, if you're not familiar with DefiLlama, it's the go-to platform for tracking TVL across blockchains and protocols. It's like having a DeFi encyclopedia that is constantly updated. But today we are diving straight into the yield section, where the real money is. This is where you'll find the best opportunities for farming, staking, and lending across different chains. And the best part is free. No subscriptions, no paywalls, just pure data. You can filter by chains, projects or platforms, and yield types. Want best yields on stablecoins to avoid volatility? Done. Looking for high risk, high reward opportunities with new tokens? Easy. It's like being a sniper in the DeFi battlefield. You target the best opportunities instead of blindly aping in. Now let's go for a step-by-step walkthrough of using the yields page. First, go to DefiLlama.com website, click on the Yields tab. Here you will see a list of opportunities sorted by APY, TVL, but don't stop there because here's what smart investors do. So first, you filter by chain. Are you into Ethereum, Arbitrum, Solana? Pick your chain. You can click here in Only or choose how many you want. The less you choose, the less the noise. Second, I would recommend you to go to the category section or the attribute section to choose between stablecoins or no impermanent loss coins, or if you are looking for potential airdrops. Category, if you are looking for lending, DEXs, RWA, liquid staking, DEX aggregator, synthetics. Then I would filter by TVL. The higher TVL often means more reliable protocols, so don't fall for sky-high APRs or dead chains. Always check the platform's risk. Remember, high yields often means high risk. Now let's talk about hidden gems. Sometimes the best yields aren't on the first page. Scroll further, dig deeper, and you will find opportunities. Look for pools with moderate APYs but untrusted platforms. Consistent yield beats a rug pull every time. So in this example, I will choose for base chain that I am likely to use due to the volume. I would choose Uniswap V3 that I have a previous video showing step by step how to use it and how to build liquidity pools inside. Then I would choose a minimum of $100,000 TVL and I will sort it out for base APY. Remember that for this APY, it's considering a price range of more or less 30% in Uniswap V3 liquidity pools with custom range that I also explained in the video about Uniswap V3 that I mentioned before. And if you are into yield stacking or compounding strategies, combine these pools with platforms like Beefy Finance or Extra Finance to maximize return. Remember that DefiLlama is tracking 13,254 pools over 559 protocols on 97 chains. So pretty much all protocols that has a lot of TVL inside of the crypto world, you will find it here. And Beefy Finance, you can find it here. See, Beefy. If you want only Beefy, just click only. And Extra Finance, the same. Now I have to remember, guys, yield farming isn't a free lunch. There are smart contract risks, impermanent loss, and sometimes protocol just vanish. So never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always do your own research. Now, if you want to go deeper into yield farming strategies, risk management, and finding the next big opportunities, grab my ebook. It's packed with everything you need to become a true crypto yield pro. The link is on the comment section on the first pinned comment. This ebook isn't just theory, it's what I use daily to build my own passive income streams. And for a limited time offer, these ebooks cost only $19. But for this price, I will guarantee you that I will aggregate your crypto life with this ebook that is built mainly for beginners. But whether you have experience, this ebook is going to help you as well. If this video gave you value, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss future gems. Leave a comment if you have any questions or if you want me to cover another DeFi tool. And remember, in the world of crypto, knowledge isn't just power, it's profit. See you in the next one.